Okay, now the next topic is electrolyte. So, what is electrolyte? The substances which on passing current dissociates into the ions. As you know about ions that we have discussed in the first video. Again, I am telling you about ions. Ions, what are ions? A conducting liquid. As you know that electrolyte is called as conducting liquid. Okay, so conducting liquid, it contains charged particles. What charged particle? Positive charged ion and negative charged ion. The positive charged ion, that's are known as cations, and the negative charged ions, that are known as anion. So here they are telling you about electrolyte. So what is electrolyte? The substance which on passing current dissociate into the ions. This is called what? This is the electrolyte. For example, they are telling you that solutions of acids, bases and salt. So after this you can in first video I told you that electrolytes are of two types, strong electrolyte and the weak electrolyte. Strong electrolyte like sulfuric acid solution, weak electrolyte like lemon juice, vinegar, okay, that we are using at home, rainwater, that is also the weak electrolyte. So here if they are taking one example, like suppose you have one AB is what? AB is the, like suppose you have taken any salt here, okay, any acid here. So you can see that AB will dissociate into A plus plus B negative. So plus positive ions, that's are called what? That's are called cation, and the negative ions, that's are called anion. Okay, again I am repeating, what are ions? Ions, electrolytes contain charged particles that are called ions, and it will dissociate into two. So you can see that AB dissociate when the current will pass through it, then AB will dissociate into ions. One positively charged, that's are called cation, and one negatively charged, that's are called anion. Okay, so here you can take the example of acid, bases and salt. So after this we will do the next activity. So see, yes, now if I am talking about non-electrolyte. So what are non-electrolyte? The substances which do not dissociate into ions when current is passed through it. Why? Because these are the bad conductors. So that's why they do not dissociate into ions. For example, you have taken the distilled water. So distilled water will not dissociate into ions. Okay, that will not broken down into the ions. Only the electrolytes will dissociate into ion when current is passed through it. And what are non-electrolyte? The substances which do not dissociate into ions when current is passed. I think it's clear to you. Okay, thank you.